Hello everyone. Take a marker and then begin to make swirly lines on a piece of paper. Draw dashes all around it and make a sun out of it. Then draw 5 other circles and once again add a face in the center of the second circle. Add oval shapes outside it and now you have a different type of sun. In the third one, add a cute little smiley face and once again draw dashes all around. Now for the fourth sun, start off by adding a cute little smiley face in the middle, add eyebrows to it and then draw triangular shapes all around it. These will be the different kind of rays of the sun. For the fifth sun, draw a smiley face or a laughy face inside and then draw spikes all around. Next, for the last sun, draw a pair of glasses and then add a cute little nose to it. Add a smile as well and then add swirly lines all around. Now for our next drawing, start off by drawing these V shapes and then at the bottom, draw a curved shape joining all of them together. Now after doing this, draw leaves at the bottom. You have made yourself a rose. Draw the side leaves as well and then add little thorns on either side. Once you are done with this, color it in using a red marker. At the bottom, color in the leaves as well. Don't forget to color the stem as well. Now for our next drawing, start off by drawing the head of a bird. This will be a swan. Make sure that you draw the body along with it as well and then at the bottom draw some water. Draw a big beak as well. Then add the eyes. Don't forget to add the wings as well on the side. Next, start off by drawing the head of a bunny. After you are done with this, add 2 little small arms on either side of the head. At the bottom, add the legs to it and then add a cute little bunny tail. Add the eyes of this animation that you are creating. Now start off by drawing a little face. Then continue on to draw the hair. Draw little bangs at the top as well. Now draw on the eyes and then leave little dots, white dots on the eyes. This will make it look like the eyes are gleaming. Fill in the rest of it using a black marker. At the bottom, add a little smile. At the top, draw 2 carrot-like shapes on either side and then connect it with a hair. Add little bunny ears at the top as well. Now coming to the bottom, draw on the person's clothes. We have drawn a cute little top as such with these particular sleeves. Then on the side, once again add a little bunny face. Continue on to draw the skirt of the little girl. Once you are done with this, you may draw the little hands on either side. Add little bracelets and then add the legs of this girl. Put one leg behind the other. Continue on with drawing the hair. Add the little details as well. Color it in. Next, start off by taking this graph sheet and then add multiple crosses on it as such. Make a heart-shaped cross as such and then right underneath it, continue on by making lines. We will be replicating the style of the bomb squad game that is present. Right underneath it, draw crosses in different random shapes as well. Once you are done with this, add boxes around each of the crosses that you have created. Do the same at the bottom as well. Once again, this will also give it a look like a game arcade. Fill in each of the crosses that you have created as such using a black marker. Do this for the bottom as well. This was the use of the crosses in the first place. When you move afar, the bottom portion of it will look like a hand making a heart shape. Color in the heart using a red color. Next, draw 6 circles on a sheet of paper and then for the first circle, draw some hair, draw eyes and a happy little face. At the top, draw a little hat-like shape as well. Don't forget to draw in the ears. Now for the second shape, draw the hair as such and then draw a different hat that looks like a beret. This will be a girl. Add 2 ponytails on the side. Add a happy face in the middle and then don't forget to add ears. Now for the third face, add in a very smiley face. At the top, add in a little bow and once again don't forget to add in the ears. Now for the fourth, start off by adding a crown. Add little bangs to it and then draw a very happy face. Add on little hair to the side as well so that this person has long hair. Now for the fifth person, add 2 little ponytails at the top and then add a cute little smiley face to it. Now moving on to the sixth person, draw on the hair and then draw on a happy little face. Add a different type of hat for them and then add 2 ponytails on the side. Color it all in. Now start off by drawing the face of a girl. For this, add a V-shaped top so that this will signify the hair later on. Then draw on the face, add a smiley face and then draw the rest of the hair. Right underneath it, draw on the neck. Now make this particular shape. Now continue to draw on the arms and the rest of the body of the woman. Color it in. Start off by making these curved shapes on a piece of paper. This will signify a hand, but this is not how you do it. Instead, make multiple 9 shapes, that is 3 of them, and then for the 4th finger, bend it and then make this particular shape out of it. Once you stretch it along, make your 4th finger and then make another shape as such. Join it all together at the bottom, add the small lines. Thank you for watching.